Before you begin, remove the hand strap, the back plate, and the midframe. Removal. Place the midframe face down. Remove the 6 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the midframe. Lift the battery off of the alignment pins that position the battery on the midframe. Carefully lift the battery up and away from the system board tabs and remove it. Replacement. Position the battery at an angle and slide it under the system board tabs. Push the battery gently downwards until it slots onto the alignment pins on the midframe. Replace the 6 P1 Phillips head screws that secure the battery to the midframe.